The Horiba Group of worldwide companies provides an extensive array of instruments and systems for applications ranging from automotive R&D, process and environmental monitoring, in vitro medical diagnostics, semiconductor to a broad range of scientific R&D. The Horiba Medical segment designs, develops and distributes worldwide in vitro diagnostic system, mainly destined for biological analysis in medical laboratories. Horiba expertise in vitro diagnostics is one of the most respected in hematology worldwide and contribute today to the health of tomorrow. Horiba, established in Japan in 1945, dawned in India in 2006 as a direct subsidiary. Since its operations in India, Horiba India Private Limited has been evolving as a very serious player in Indian IVD sector, taking market share rapidly in already growing market all over the country. Horiba India Private Limited, with our corporate head office in New Delhi and newly established reagent manufacturing unit in Sidkul, Haridwar, and regional offices in Pune, Bangalore and Chennai, provide on-site service to our customers pan-India with our immaculate team of Horibarians, as our employees proudly call themselves.
Horiba India is 100% subsidiary of Horiba Japan. We started the operation in India in 2006. Actually, we have been in India for last 20 years, but through our various distributors. But our own office was started in 2006. The first segment to came in India was ATS segment. Then the second segment was process and environmental, then medical, and last year we came with scientific segment. Horiba Japan has 5 test segments in total. Out of that, 4 segments are in India. The revenue generation in Horiba India is 2 billion Indian rupees, and we have 170 employees which are working day and night for the Horiba brand India. We are operating out of 4 offices in Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, and head office at Delhi. Recently, in end of 2013, we started our manufacturing operation in Haridwar for medical segments. From there, we are producing the world-class quality of reagents which we are giving to all our customers in medical laboratories.
Our manufacturing unit on the banks of Holy Ganges in Haridwar started production in 2013. Primarily manufactures 5 products for hematology reagents. These are the ABX Minidil LMG, which is packaged in 10 and 20 liters. The ABX Diluent, which is packaged in 20 liters. ABX Cleaner, which is packaged in 1 liter. ABX Mini Clean, which is packaged in 1 liter. And the ABX Minoclair, which is packaged in 500 milliliter. We follow quality management system and comply with the requirements of various regulatory authorities. Horiba has well-defined procedure of qualification and validation activities, which assures the reliability of all equipment, system and processes to assure accuracy, intra-run and inter-run reproducibility and repeatability of all measuring instruments. These are calibrated by NABL certified bodies as per defined procedure. The Horiba Haridwar facility maintains utmost aseptic and sanitized environment and follows classification-wise clean room processes. All flooring is epoxy coated. and all corners are rounded off for easy cleanup in process and quality control area. Regulated environment and purified water are the backbone of the quality products manufactured by Horiba at this Haridwar facility, and hence state-of-the-art heating, ventilation and air conditioning system and water treatment system are installed for maintaining the optimum and required supply of air and water. The HVAC system maintains the environment of ISO 7 and 8 classes of cleanliness to avoid contamination and cross-contamination. The unit filters the air through a filtration unit consisting of pre-filters, fine filters and HEPA filters, and then controls the airflow using velocity sensors, temperature, relative humidity and differential process. The water treatment system implements an extensive process flow beginning with chlorination of groundwater into an underground tank. The water from the tank is pumped through the multi-grade filter to remove suspended particles into the softener unit to remove hardness. This water is further treated to ultra-pure water of USP 35 grade, maintaining required pH level and conductivity. This processed water is then sent using high-pressure pumps into the storage and distribution tank. The water supply is circulated in a loop in SS316L grade purest stainless steel pipes using flow bends. Horiba manufactured TOC, that is Total Organic Carbon Analyzer, checks organic carbon contents, and an ultraviolet light prevents microbial growth. The entire system is assembled using orbital welding, where no foreign element is used and the edges remain smooth to maintain sanitization and a free flow of water. There are 20 sampling points in our water treatment facility to test water quality following stringent quality control on daily basis. The Haridwar manufacturing plant of Horiba consists of 3 floors, where the ground floor houses the man and material entrances, primary and secondary gowning zones, and the manufacturing facility. The first floor houses quality control facility, purified water generation and distribution system, and the technical area that includes HVAC system and electrical panels. The man and material movement at Horiba is thoroughly regulated and regularly scrutinized to maintain optimum level of air quality and hygiene quintessential for the quality Horiba products manufactured here. Each employee enters the premises after logging himself at this biometric ID register and follows a strict gowning process that is pictorially displayed on the wall of each gowning zone. There are separate gowning zones for males and females, and each zone is equipped with an interlocking door system to ensure adherence. This primary gowning is considered mandatory for man movement in the outer production area, quality control area, and the warehouse. However, for entry into core production and microbiology area, each employee has to undergo a secondary gowning process again, equipped with interlocking door system. All material at Horiba, like the raw material, packing material and finished good, moves through dynamic pass boxes of ISO 5 grade inside clean rooms. All raw and packing material coming from the material receiving way is taken to the warehouse by lift for storage. As per production requirement, Approved raw and packing material are taken to the production area for use. After completing the manufacturing and packaging processes, the finished product is then stored at a specified temperature in finished goods storeroom and is moved to dispatch way for dispatch from the plant. The core manufacturing unit consists of process tanks with agitator of different capacities. All raw materials are weighed in dispensing booth of ISO 5 class. A high power vacuum based dust extractor eliminates any accidental spillage. Physico-chemical analysis is performed on in-process material during the production cycle several times. The finished product is then transferred through a conveyor belt for coding, labeling and final packaging. Eye washer is available throughout the production facility for safety and occupational hazards. The temperature, relative humidity and differential pressure readings are logged continuously for cross-reference, analysis and traceability. The finished product is then sent for testing for final quality control. Horiba has a laid out procedure for each of the products manufactured in Haridwar.
At Horiba Haridwar, we follow a very strict quality management system. Good manufacturing process in every department is categorically emphasized in the form of standard operating procedures, and a copy of which is readily available for easy reference. The management system which we follow is an exact replica of the system followed by other Horiba manufacturing units across the globe. This global replication of the infrastructure and processes results in the same quality of Horiba's product that allow Horiba Group to commission product from any of its manufacturing unit in case of need and requirement.
All products manufactured at Horiba undergo stringent physico-chemical, microbiology and hematology testing prior to their release for commercialization. The Quality Control Department at Horiba uses various Horiba instruments for testing the quality of finished product prior to commercial release. We routinely use a controlled blood ABX Minitrol 16, ABX Diftrol and fresh human blood samples for all our hematological testing. Our testing instrument ABX Pentra 120DF is an 8-part hematology analyzer. ABX Pentra 60 is 5-part hematology analyzer and ABX Micros 60 is a 3-part automated hematology analyzer. The ABX Pentra 120DF tests the samples for the WBC for percentage and absolute platelet count, the double diff matrix and the LMNE curve. Micro Semi CRP is a unique patented product from Horiba for differentiation and prognosis of diseases such as inflammation due to bacterial infection, sepsis and viral fevers. The microbiology lab has in-house facility of media preparation, sterilization and disposal. All microbiological testing are carried using laminar airflow, following strict norms of biosafety and ISO 5 grades. Horiba India is dedicated to fulfill customer demands through the most efficient use of resources, including distribution capacity, inventory, and maintaining the right mix and location of carriers to serve customer demands. Horiba India implements just-in-time techniques to reach the refrigerated and other items to end users on time to achieve the higher level of customer satisfaction. Hematology reagents are kept in 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, whereas control and calibrators in cold room round the clock. A cold room is maintained and monitored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, always to keep the controls and calibrators in the prescribed temperature. Control and calibrators are packed as per international standards to maintain the cold chain till the end user.
The measurement of performances focus on total system efficiencies and equitable distribution of resources to those within the supply chain. The supply chain team is always responsive to the customer at any point of time. The teamwork is evident from their immaculate material management and their impeccable records of on-time delivery to the customer.
Inspired by our unique motto, joy and fun, we focus on social responsibilities by building state-of-the-art products for scientific advancement, especially for protecting health, safety and the environment. Horibarians all over the world are looking forward to working with you and providing the best analytical solution for your needs.